Eleazar Harash. Contemplation of the Master. I gaze upon you. I keep gazing upon you, yet I am not able to see you. I listen to you. I keep listening to you, yet I am not able to hear you. You probably live in a sacred depth. I sought you, and did not find you. I followed you, and did not discover you. I never stopped thirsting for you, and in one wondrous instant, you revealed yourself to me. This instant transformed me into eternity and speechlessness. When I saw you, I lost all my words, and I turned into a son of yours. Now I am part of your eternity, of your speechlessness, and a shard of your miracle. Now I know that you do not exist, but you are my only reality. When I found you, I came to know that everything else is not real, but it called itself reality. They called you unreal, but you turned out to be the only reality. May every one who seeks you find you, and may the one who finds you be touched by the flame of your miracle.